Ciao comrades, welcome, pleasure to have you here. If your Vita is broken, it can switch on, but it freezes and then crashes. This video will show you how to fix it. So this is pretty much the issue. It switch on, then he unlocks the screen, and now it just frozen. So now it crashed. Oh, here is another video with the same issue. It's switching on. Now it's switched on. Unlocks. There is an error, and now it's gonna freeze and reboot. If this is your issue, the fix is very easy. Step 1. So your Vita is switched off. Now you're gonna press and hold left trigger and press the boot button. Start. You're gonna see the logo. Now you can let go of the start, but you're still gonna hold the left trigger. You're gonna see warning. I think now you can let go of the left trigger. You let it boot, and now the Vita is running, but without any plugins. Step 2. Now we're gonna download the new VPK on a PC or a phone. We're going to the GitHub and we're gonna download the latest release of the VitaDB downloader version 2.3. Link is down below. So we are here, we're going to releases and VitaDB VPK. We're gonna download it and transfer to the PS Vita, either via cable or via FTP. To transfer via cable, you simply open the Vita shell, then you press select on the home screen of the Vita shell, and now you just connect the cable. Here I'm on my PC and I'm downloading the VitaDB VPK. Download complete. Now I'm connecting my Vita to the PC. Connected. I'll transfer the VitaDB to my PS Vita. Now we're gonna find the VPK. You see, here it is, VitaDB VPK from downloaded today. I press X. Yes, I want to install it. Yes, installing. So here I'm gonna launch it, VitaDB downloader. After you launch the app, you're gonna see this message and you should click yes. And it will download and install the plugin that was causing all of these issues. Then after it's gonna be downloaded, you're just gonna reboot your Vita, and that's it. Your problem is fixed, you're safe, you can enjoy. So the problem was with the VitaDB downloader plugin, and it is used for checking updates for new homebrews in the background every hour and after first boot. I actually don't have it installed on any of my Vitas. I installed it before, but I didn't get the notifications all the time, so I just uninstalled it, and now I'm using it without it. But if you have it and you want to still use it, you need to click yes. If you don't want to use it, you click no. I mean, even without it, you're still gonna find out about all the updates inside the VitaDB. You just won't be getting the notifications here on your home screen. They are still gonna be shown in here when you open the VitaDB app itself. Like here you see updated, not installed, outdated, so it's gonna be showing outdated. You just click X and it will be updated. You know, the less notifications in my life, the better it is. I would like to also add that if you already installed the plugin but you don't wanna use it anymore and you click no, you also need to disable the plugin in your config file. Every plugin is disabled in the same way, so you just go into your ur0 config file, ur0 config.txt. Then you find the plugin. I don't have it, but it's called vdb_daemon.suprx. Then you click X, and here you either delete the whole line or you just add there some letters. I've added some letters. I go back with the circle. Now go back again out of your config file and you press yes, you want to save the modifications. Then you just reboot your Vita and job done. It's gonna be working. But I'm pressing no because clearly I want to keep all my plugins as they are. I came across this Reddit post that I found really funny. I survived the great Vita Purge of 2025. If you see the screen, just say no, then you won't be a victim of the next great Vita Purge. This has been an anti-Vita Purge PSA, thank you. This fix will be only working for this exact issue. If you are facing any other freezing issue, it's most likely caused by corrupted SD card, because that's the most common issue when your Vita is freezing. So that was the fix, the cause, and the next logical step would be to focus on the prevention. to prevent things like this to happen in the future. That's for the developer. I think when there is a progress being made, there are always gonna be, bumps, problems along the road. But that's the whole point, to encounter them, fix them, and then learn from them. If you haven't seen yesterday's video with all the latest releases for the ReiHEN Homebrew contest, there were a lot of tools, original homebrews, and even ports submitted. Contest is still going on and it will end at 7th of October. Portal Recreation has received a bunch of new chambers and the developer is talking about the final roadmap. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, join, whatever your heart craves for. I would like to thank you for watching. I would like to thank all of my channel members and Patreons for their continued support. It's greatly appreciated and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.